These are our math practice pages, and so we are going to start working on them together. How many dots are here? There is one dot on that die, so we make a 1, a big line straight down. That's how we make a 1. What number comes after 1? What is 1 more than 1? Well, they added one dot here, and now it's a 2. A half a heart, and then a shoe. That is how we make a 2. What number is 1 more than 2? 1, 2, 3. 3 is 1 more than 2. Around the tree and around the tree. That is how we make a 3. What about this? What about 4? Is that 1 more than 3? Yes, it is. Short line down, short line across, big line from the ceiling to the floor. That is how we make a 4. What's 1 more than 4? If we add one more dot, what is 1 more than 4? 5. Short neck, belly fat. Number 5 wears a hat. Boys and girls, make sure you have this page completed like this, because I'm going to erase it and go to the next page. So if you need to, pause the video, but then remember to come back. Okay, on this page, we need to look up here at number 2. Number 2, they gave us a 7, and they want to know what number is 1 fewer than 7, and what number is 1 more than 7. So, what number is 1 fewer than 7? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down around and pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. So 6 is 1 fewer than 7. What is 1 more than 7? Do you know what it is without counting? What number comes after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8, we make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. Okay, for number 3, let's look at these numbers. We have 6, 9, 8, 7. Do you know which number comes first? If you look up here, it gives us a clue. Our 6 comes first, doesn't it? So write the 6. After 6, if you're counting forward from 6, you have 6. And then what comes next? It's 7. Across the ceiling and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. 6, 7. What number comes next? 8. Make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. 6, 7, 8. What's next? 9. A magic C. Back up. Down with a big line. That is how we make a 9. Okay, down here for number 4, we're going to do the same thing. We have 3, 6, 5, 4. We have to figure out which number comes first. Think in your head when you're counting, which number is the fewest? Did you come up with 3? Around the tree and around the tree. That is how we make a 3. So start counting from 3 with me. Ready? 3. What's next? What number did you say? Did you say 4? Short line down, short line across. Big line from the ceiling to the floor. That is how we make a 4. 3, 4. What's next? 5. Short neck, belly fat. Number 5 wears a hat. Okay, we have to figure out what numbers last. 3, 4, 5, 6. Down around, pick up sticks. That is how we make a 6. Boys and girls, make sure you have this all written because I'm going to be erasing it. You should be doing these math pages with me. You should have yours in front of you. Now this is the independent practice page. That means I get to tell you what to do and you do it all by yourself because you guys are so smart in math. Okay, here we have a 1. You need to write the number that comes before 1 and the number that comes after 1. And they gave you dots to help you. So here's 1. Right here, you're going to write the number that comes before 1. And here, you're going to write the number that comes after 1. Okay, down here, it's basically the same thing. You have the number 9 right here. You need to write the number that comes before 9 and the number that comes after 9. And they gave you dots to help you if you need it. Write the number that comes before 9 and the number that comes after 9. Okay, for 7 and 8. Well, let's do 7 first. 8 looks a bit tricky. Let's talk about 7 first. For 7, you have 10, 8, 7, and 9. You need to write those in order from fewest to greatest over here. Write them in order. Figure out which number comes first, and then write the rest of them in order. Okay, are you ready for the tricky one? They always throw a tricky one in that really makes us use our brain and think. We have 9, 6, and 7. We have 3 numbers, but we have 4 spaces. Do you know what? We have a missing number. That's what we have going on here. There is a number missing. So, 9, 6, and 7. Which number comes first? We're going to do this together. Which number comes first? The 6 does. Now, what comes after 6? What comes after that number? And what should come last? Which number is our missing number? Did you figure it out? I'm going to check your paper when you bring it back to me to see. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you have a great rest of your day. This is the end of math, and this is the end of our Schoology videos for today. Thank you for listening.